Enrique Morales po. Sabi ng daddy kong doktor, piliin ko lagi yung makabubuti pagdesisyon para sa pamilya ang pag-uusapan. Kaya ako, sa The Generics Pharmacy. Mabisa ang gamot, dekalidad, at abot kaya. Basta generics, The Generics Pharmacy. Ang resetang sigurado, may generics. Magre-reseta ba si Doc ng masama sa'yo? Basta generics at gamot pang maintenance TGP. The Generics Pharmacy. Nandito ang reseta ng doktor. Now with over 1,600 branches nationwide to serve you. Saan ka makakahanap ng maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas mura? Unique toothpaste na. It's your toothpaste at your price. Isa, dalawa, tatlo sa toothpaste na ito. Apat, lima, anim, nagkamali sa pagtikim.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand.
Leading brand na nala, Unique toothpaste.
Gaya ng leading brand, ang Unique nagbibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath, at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique, up to 50% more affordable. Unique is your toothpaste at your price.
Unique toothpaste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Make 2014 a year to remember. Experience new places, new adventures, new tastes, and new friends. Travel the world with our special fares to amazing destinations worldwide. Book by the 14th of January for travel between the 3rd of February and the 12th of July. Limited availability, so book now. Visit Emirates.com. Fly Emirates. Hello tomorrow.
Maalala po, galing sa libre. Sama-sama tayo, magabot na. Kabutihan, galong na kasibagan. Libre, sigaw ng bayo. Libre, malamig sa bibig. Libre, nagsasabi ka. Kabutihan, para sa kabayagan. Upang may progreso. Uma, preso. Libre, sigaw ng bayo. Libre, malamig sa bibig. Libre, nagsasabi ka. Libre, sigaw ng bayo.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit at may malasakit. Ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Di biro maging nurse, dapat marunong sa sakit at marunong mag-alaga. Yun bang may malasakit? Kaya masating sa bath soap, hanap ko tulad ko, lalo't may pamilya ko. Kaya ang gamit ko, Shield Bath Soap. Galit ito sa sakit na dulot ng germs. May antibacterial na pareho ng sa leading brand. At may malasakit sa skin dahil may Shea Butter Moisturizer. May malasakit din sa budget dahil super affordable. Kaya naman recommended ito ng Philippine Nurses Association. Shield galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Harmony in the home? Electrolux makes it easy. I get the dust off the floor. Bring yummy smells. Bring out the freshness too. And washing's never a chore. Finish clean, 'cause you can do much more. Find the delighting and Electrolux range. Everyday moments are made delightful with Electrolux. Electrolux, thinking of you. When bacteria enters the wound, cleaning may not be enough. Bacteria may spread and lead to serious diseases. Bacteria Brigade, start! Use Fusidin. It's clinically proven to be effective against wound infection. Fusidin is a powerful antibiotic that's fast-acting and deep-penetrating. Fusidin helps prevent bacteria from spreading. Fusidin, full force against wound infection. Fusidic acid sodium fusidate is the generic name of Fusidin. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Fusidin is available at Mercury Drug and other leading drugstores nationwide.
Honey, we need to go.
Wee!
Ay, here we go again. My wife's timing rituals and checking before going out. Her dress,
Skirt or jeans?
her makeup,
Okay na yung blush on ko?
except for one thing. Her figure. She's been taking Cancunis for more than 30 years. It really works.
Cancunis with 3 magic herbs. Sana, Shusen Tea, and Nove, Cancunis.
Imagine, up to now, she still has the body that I adore.
Okay, hon, I'm ready. Let's go.
Sana is the generic name of Cancunis. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
We're big on dreams, we're big on wealth, we're big on gold, and we're big on health. Go, go, life, we're big on life. Go, go, life, we're big on life. We're big on claims and service too. We're big on happiness, we're big on you.
Coco Life, the biggest Filipino-owned stock life insurance company, cares for you in so many ways.
Go, go, life, we're big on life.
SM Advantage Card. Be an SM Advantage Card member now and get a free McDonald's sundae. Si Lelen Barbarate po ito ng Pag-ibig. Mababa na, lalo pang pinababa. Interes sa housing loan para sa minimum wage earner, 4.5% na lang. Hulog buwan-buwan, mga 2,000 piso na lang. Ang regular housing loan naman, binaba rin ng 40%. Ngayon, 6.9% na lang. At pwedeng mag-loan hanggang 6 million pesos. Patunay na naman sa Pag-ibig ang pinaghirapan may katuparan.
Tumawag sa 724-4244 para sa detalye.
Senior ako for 40 years. Now retired. What's next? At my age, ramdam ko ang muscle loss. Yung naghihina mga muscles, sabi ni Doc, sarcopenia niya daw yun. Pero di kailangan magtiis. May magagawa pa. So I started drinking Enervon Prime dahil may protein at essential vitamins and minerals. Kahit senior na, kayang-kaya ko pa umataw. Sure. Edwin Ligapatan po. Singing lang dati. Singing and dancing now.
Have the strength to do what's next. Enervon Prime. Stronger for longer. Manage sarcopenia with a high-protein nutritional drink and resistance exercise.